There was a girl. Her name was Sarah. She was kind. She had many friends. There was a boy. His name was Alex. He was quiet. He liked to read books. Sarah and Alex were in the same class. They sat near each other. They did not talk much. One day, Sarah dropped her pen. It rolled under Alex's desk. She asked if he could get it. Alex picked up the pen. He gave it back to Sarah. He smiled a little. Sarah said thank you. She smiled back at him. It was a small moment. But it felt nice. After that day, they talked a little more. Small talks. About school. About books. Sarah liked Alex's quiet way. Alex liked Sarah's happy smile. They started to eat lunch together. Just the two of them. They talked about their day. Sarah would tell funny stories. Alex would listen carefully. Sometimes he would laugh. Alex would tell Sarah about the books he read. Sarah would try to understand. She liked hearing his voice. They walked home together after school. They lived near each other. They talked about everything and nothing. Sarah felt happy when she was with Alex. Alex felt comfortable with Sarah. They were becoming good friends. Best friends, maybe. One day, Sarah felt something different. When she looked at Alex, her heart beat faster. Alex also felt something new. When Sarah smiled at him, he felt warm inside. They did not know what these feelings were. They were just new. And a little scary. Summer came. School was over. Sarah and Alex did not see each other every day. They missed each other. Sarah thought about Alex a lot. She missed their talks. She missed his quiet smile. Alex thought about Sarah too. He missed her laughter. He missed walking home with her. One afternoon, Sarah called Alex. She asked if he wanted to go to the park. Alex said yes. He was happy to hear her voice. They met at the park. They walked around. They talked for a long time. As the sun went down, they sat on a bench. It was quiet. Sarah looked at Alex. His eyes looked kind. She felt like she wanted to hold his hand. Alex looked at Sarah. Her smile made him feel happy. He felt like he wanted to be closer to her. He slowly reached for her hand. Sarah also reached out. Their hands touched. It felt right. It felt warm. It felt like something special. They sat there holding hands. Not saying anything. But feeling a lot. That day at the park, something changed between them. Their friendship felt deeper. They started spending more time together. Not just as friends, but as something more. They went to the movies. They went for ice cream. They laughed a lot. Sarah liked how Alex listened to her. Alex liked how Sarah made him feel. They learned more about each other. Their likes. Their dislikes. Their dreams. One evening, Alex told Sarah how he felt. He said he liked her. More than a friend. Sarah smiled. She said she felt the same way. She liked Alex too. A lot. They were happy. They were more than friends now. They were a couple. Their love was quiet. Like Alex. But it was also bright. Like Sarah's smile. They held hands more. They hugged more. They looked at each other with love in their eyes. Their friends were happy for them. They saw how good Sarah and Alex were together. Sarah and Alex were in love. It was a simple love. A kind love. A quiet but strong love. They continued to spend time together. They made each other happy. They were best friends and now, also in love. Their story was just beginning. A story of a kind girl and a quiet boy who found love in each other. Their little talks led to something big. Their friendship grew into something beautiful. Their easy way of being together felt like the best thing in the world. And they knew this was just the start of their happy ever after.